My face is the warning, we're gonna do some body stuff. Tampons, Dracula's favorite teabag, can be launched from the vagina when you sneeze. Nature's most awkward Nerf gun is brought to you by a dramatic increase in your abdominal pressure caused by the expansion of your diaphragm and the fact that your pelvic floor does not usually contract at the same time as you breathe. Flatus, or gas, is a natural occurrence for everyone, but if you are sitting on a surface that does not allow it to escape up the gluteal fold, the fancy name for the butt crack, it may be redirected toward the front where it can be slurped up by the mortal portal. Now, some people think it may be stored here. Not generally. The tissue inside of here is gas permeable, so it is actually just reabsorbed. In many cases, it may not actually enter the mortal portal and just continue up the labial folds to become a labial raspberry or a front fart, known as a queef. And this can also happen to men. However, we don't tend to have a front hole, so that means it goes up beside the testicles or up the thigh, which means it can be a ball shaker or a thigh flapper. Vaginal secretions can bleach fabric. That is because you have healthy bacteria that live inside of you, one of them being lactobacillus. Yes, the same one that is in yogurt. And when it is doing its job, it actually makes the vagina more acidic. But this acid, when it is discharged, can also interact with the dyes in the fabric of your underwear, causing bleaching. Around 60% of men do not adequately wash their booty hole. This is evidenced by skid marks left in underwear, on bed sheets after activities, and at medical facilities on exam tables. Those are all feces-free areas. Feces already don't smell good, so we certainly don't want their fermented essence spread on anything. When in doubt, wipe one more time or use a wet wipe. Even better, invest in a bidet. And when you're in the shower, this is a soap and water area, and I want you to scrub it. Hashtag rub and scrub. You could just drop that in people's comments from now on if you think they're the type of person who maybe needs to wash down there a little better.